Welcome back, everyone. We'll be doing an unboxing video today. I paid full price for this item. This is not sponsored. This is the vevor 90-gallon sandblast cabinet with dust collector. I'm going to open this top box first. I believe this is a dust collector in the top. I wouldn't mind being sponsored by vevor though. If vevor's watching this video. I have quite a few of their products. Okay, we got to be a rubber gasket. Put that down in there. Got a little baggie of bolts, nuts, and washers. Put that there. One piece of styrofoam. Another piece of styrofoam. The directions. Blast cabinet dust reclaimer kit. Put the directions there. There it is right there. Looks very nice. Set this down right on this plastic tub. What else we have here? We got a little metal panel. That right there. This is a cabinet right here, I believe. Took forever for them to deliver it, but I think what irritates me more is they said they were going to deliver it by 9 in the morning, so I was waiting, and then it didn't get delivered till 6 o'clock at night. So I basically waited all day for the dang thing, and it finally just got here. Had to clean a spot off in here so you guys see what the heck I'm doing. Hopefully nothing's damaged. Always a gamble with buying stuff online. Is it's gonna arrive damaged or is it gonna arrive good? Make sure you guys are still on. Okay. You guys are still on. Okay. I don't know how big, I mean, I know it's 90 gallon, but I wonder if it's big enough. If there's some big things in it. I mean, it's the front panel. See if it's big enough to fit the engine in it. Yeah, I can fit the engine in it. The bare block, so I can blast that in it. So, that right there. Gaskets, gloves. Where did the thing fly? Hose clamps, plastic covers, whole big set of bolts. They even give you a thing of silicone sealant so you can seal it around the edges. Help with sand. Oh, looky right there. Looky right there. Whole corner's all crushed in. I'll take a picture of it. Focus. I was just literally talking about that. It's bullcrap. Why can't FedEx handle the frickin' packages? How about this one? Oh, looks alright. Might have to. There's a thingy of that. There's some hoses. Look at that, guys. This was jammed into there. Who knows what's in there? Hopefully everything's alright. Really starting to piss me off. It's like every vevor item I have had has had some type of problem with it. If it didn't work right, or I mean, I understand there's you can't make 100%. Every product can't be 100%. I understand that, but come on. Here's a light for the inside of a cabinet. I don't know how long that's gonna last. Looks pretty cheap if you ask me. I mean, this cabinet was on sale for $423, and that's with the collector. So that there. It almost looks used because I don't. Look at that. Look at it. The whole corner's bent in. Here's the thing that great. Here's the whoa. Whoa. Look how flimsy that is. I mean, almost 500. Yeah, that's bent. I can tell it right now. That is bent. I mean, for 500 bucks, you would think you would get something. Yeah, there's. I wouldn't be surprised if I find more damaged stuff because. Got all those parts. Got that part. Got this part. This is the biggest blast cabinet vevor sells. Hopefully this glass or plastic's not cracked. There's that. That's all scratched up right there and looks like even cracked. I ain't even done it. I'm already going to have to contact the guy I bought this from and be like, hey, I think it might actually be vevor themselves. I'll be like, hey, what's going on? My engine hoist cylinder, it arrived all scratched up, which ain't that big of a deal because they're going on the engine hoist. Get used, ain't big deal. Well, they felt like that was big deal, so they gave me some of my money back. I told them they didn't need to because I didn't care. But I sent them some pictures and they noticed it was really scratched bad. But the main problem is the air valve sticks and it'll keep going up. That's either gonna be extremely dangerous or it's gonna blow up that cylinder. So they felt so bad they gave me my full money back on that, and I haven't messed with it, but I'm debating about either repairing it or just getting a hold and scrapping that cylinder. Because vevor is like above Harbor Freight. Here's the legs. I'll probably make a installation video on this because this video is probably getting a little bit long. But at least that's everything. Let's reopen this box and see what the heck's in this box. Probably just spare parts or okay. There's a whole bunch more stuff. I got some covers. Got some more of that. Got some nozzles. Got some tape. Whatever that is. Got that. It looks almost like it's been repacked. It's the best way I can say it. Got that. Got a little switch. My little door. Do something like that. And then opens. I mean, look at that. That's all crushed right there. And that weld's crap. But, gotta remember. This is a Harbor Freight quality sandblast cabinet for the money, even knowing it's vevor is like above Harbor Freight some. I mean, sandblast cabinets. I mean, each one would this side's like $1,500, which I mean they're all practically the same. That's why I didn't get an Eastwood one. Is they're basically all the same, just different brands. There's some hinges. There's some more hinges. What the heck's in this little box? What the heck's that? Maybe that's for the light? Okay, well, that's basically everything. But I never saw an owner's manual on how to build this thing if I need it. Maybe it's... I don't know that crap. I don't know. I don't know. I never saw a manual. But we're going to get these boxes out of here. Okay, well, I mean, I'd like to say good things about the brand, but, I mean, come on. Spent about $500. Now, can't hag on the brand too much because it's not their fault, but when you spend almost $500 and your thing arrives all damaged and you had to wait all day, it really gets on your nerves. But probably go ahead and talk to vevor about the situation, and they'll probably talk to FedEx, probably get a claim going, because I mean, this is just looking at some of the parts. I mean, that's what I saw. There could be more damage, but next video should be me building this thing, yeah, so please subscribe. If you're new to the channel, welcome. We do everything from restoring tractors to working on ATVs, go-karts. And leave a like and share this video. Tell vevor that they should sponsor me, and leave a comment. And if vevor is watching this video and you do want to sponsor me, there is an email in the about information of the channel. Just send me an email there, and I'll get back to you. And hopefully we will work together. I contacted them, but they said my videos didn't get enough views. But maybe this will change. There's only, I think, 2 other videos on this sandblast cabinet on YouTube in total, so this will be the 3rd one by N.R.T. The American Badass. So, well, thanks for stopping by. Catch you on the next one.